In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line graph in Microsoft Excel. If you want to turn simple data into a visual chart that is easy to read, a line graph is one of the best options in Excel. It's especially useful when you want to show change over time, like monthly sales, performance trends, or progress across a series of dates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create one and then make it easier to understand by customizing it. To begin, enter your data into Excel and make sure it is organized in a clear table format. For example, you might have months in one column and sales in the next column. Once your data is ready, select the entire table, including the headers at the top. Including the headers is important because Excel uses them to label your chart automatically, which saves time and makes the graph more readable from the start. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click the option labeled Insert Line or Area Chart. This is where Excel gives you different chart styles related to line-based visuals. Since we want a standard line graph, this is the correct menu to open. From that menu, choose 2D Line. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate the line graph based on the data you selected. This is one of the quickest ways to visualize a trend because Excel handles the structure for you right away. Now let's quickly understand what the graph is showing. The horizontal axis, also called the x-axis, displays the months. The vertical axis, or y-axis, shows the sales values. The line itself connects each month's sales point, making it easy to see whether the numbers are increasing, decreasing, or staying fairly consistent over time. That visual connection is what makes a line graph so effective for spotting patterns. Finally, you can customize the graph to make it more polished and easier to present. To change the chart title, click directly on the existing title and type a new one, such as Monthly Sales Report. To add axis titles, click the chart, then click the plus sign, also called the Chart Elements button, and check Axis Titles. After that, enter month for the horizontal axis and sales for the vertical axis. If you want to adjust the appearance even more, click the line itself, then go to the Chart Design or Format tab and choose a different color or line style. And that's how to make a line graph in Microsoft Excel. Once your chart is created and labeled clearly, it becomes much easier to share insights from your data in a professional and visually simple way.